Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Want to see how I made this awesome recipe? Stay tuned. Hey guys, today I'll be making some chicken tikka masala. Some say it was originated in India, some say in Britain. However, today it will be going into my belly. So these are some chicken thighs that have been marinated for the past 2 days. I'm going to add some tikka masala. And these are the ingredients in this tikka masala: paprika, cumin, ginger, turmeric, coriander, cinnamon, and Kashmiri chili. I'm also going to add some extra Kashmiri chili powder. It's a low heat chili powder, so I'm just using it for color. I'm going to be using this garam masala, and here are the spices inside this masala. So we have cumin, cinnamon, coriander, black pepper, ginger, cloves, green cardamom, bay leaves, big cardamom, nutmeg, and mace. I'm also going to use this garam masala because this one has fenugreek, mustard, and pimento, and it's not in the other masala. I'm also going in with some roasted garlic powder and some Maggi all-purpose for my salt because none of these spices have salt. I'm using plain yogurt, which is required for this recipe. You need the yogurt to tenderize the chicken and give it that tang. These are some skewers I had soaking in some water for about a day, and I'm just going to assemble my chicken thighs. And now that these are done, I'm going to be putting it into the oven on high for about 15 minutes. Now I have some lovely char going on here. I'm going to make my sauce now, coming in with some ghee. Here I have some ginger, onion, thyme, and scotch bonnet, and some garlic. I'm just adding these seasonings to the pot. I'm just stirring until it's a bit translucent. Then I'm going to come in with some tikka masala. I'm also going to come in with some more garam masala. Just this one, and I'm going to stir it around and let these spices toast a bit. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce, and look at this lovely color, it's so beautiful. Now I'm just gonna add some heavy cooking cream. I'm also gonna add some coconut milk, which is optional. And I'm stirring this around. That lovely orange color that chicken tikka masala is known for. I'm just gonna add my chicken thighs and let that simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then dinner will be served. Stick around.